Hello, Zach. All right, here it is. Here's 636 SA. Sitting on my 48 CJ2A. All righty, testing and adjustment going well. No problems, no leaks. Everything's good. Happy with it. Let's take a look down inside. And you can see that it's nice and dry down there. No issues. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, sir. Try it back again. Good, nice and dry. All right, let's look at some numbers. Idle RPM currently is about 670, 660, 670. Fuel pressure 2.75. Vacuum currently at 23.5. That is beautiful. Yes, sir, you got a good tight one there. And there's my dwell at 42 degrees. All right, let's pull her through. See what she does.